Oh, welcome to my channel, the Alpha Crypto channel. I'll just be revealing something that a lot of people don't know about. This is Binance app. A lot of people think the only way they can make money from Binance is when they buy, when they sell cryptocurrencies and stuff like that, which is actually not true. I'll be showing one way you can make money from Binance. This time around, you don't even need any capital. You just need to follow this simple method. It is the Binance referral. The reason I'm telling you this is because I've done this and this has really worked for me personally, right? The Binance referral simply means you just invite your friends, refer people to join the Binance platform, and once they sign up, they create account using your link. For every transaction they do for the rest of the time they're on Binance, you get a particular percentage. And for them to sign up and they verify their account, their first deposit, you can get up to like 40% from referral. Now let me show you guys to tell you that I actually do this, and I have a lot of people that have referred on this platform myself, right? Look at this. Now this is the Binance Exchange platform. Give me a second, guys. All right, so let me just take you step by step. Now this is the Binance referral. When you open the Binance referral platform, you see the Binance Crypto Exchange referral program. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, for you to even do this, first you need to create a Binance account. I'm going to put a link in my description. That's my referral link. You can sign up through my referral link, and you're going to get a particular discount for your transactions for signing up through my referral link. Then you can also begin to refer other people. Now, once you do this, you're going to see the light referral and the standard referral. Now, they tell you to share your referral link with friends, invite friends to sign up and deposit more than $50, receive 100 USDT cashback voucher each, which is actually very true. But then I prefer to do the standard referral, right? Now, the standard referral, the ball game is totally different. Let's allow it to load so that we can get the. Now refer friends to earn crypto together. You earn 40% commission on every trade across Binance Spot, futures, and pool forever. Like, you continue to earn 40% commission across every trade that they take. Now look at this. When you refer your friends, you can actually adjust it. You can give your friends, maybe you want to take 10% and give them 10%. You can select that, during the referral, whatever. Now you have your link here. You can copy your link down below. If you copy your link, the next thing is you're going to see the total amount you have made. You can see that I've made some satoshis. The person that has the highest number of referrals so far has 16 bitcoin just for referring people. This person has made up to 16 bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you the number of people I've referred. All I need to do is to just go to referral overview, right? If you come to referral overview, you're going to see the dashboard, referrals, commission, and rebate. Look at my overview, my earning. I've made some satoshi, some bitcoin, but these are in satoshi. Satoshi simply means the lowest bitcoin. Over the years, this will continue to go up on its own. Now they said friends who started trading. I have two people that have started trading. People I've referred over 39. The person with the top referral bonus currently has 16 bitcoin. So what I just do is I continue to refer people. I literally have nothing to lose referring people. Somebody has 16, 7, 6, 5, 1 bitcoin just for referring people. Don't forget, 1 bitcoin is worth approximately like $40,000 for referring people. Now if you leave here, you still go back. Probably you are new, you want to create your own, you want to join the referral package so that you can start earning your own cryptocurrency. All you need to do is first use the link in my description, create your own Binance account. When you create your account, just come to standard referral. When you come to standard referral, the next thing you can do is you wait and you copy the look at it. You see this invite friends. This is your referral, the referral link. You copy your referral link and you go on to paste your link to your friends and allow them create an account. You can also use the light referral too if you choose to. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting content you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.